Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Nokia C31. So to do this we'll need to open our settings, go for the system and find the gestures. Right here you can see all of the gestures and motions on this device, and let's see how they work. Swipe fingerprint for notifications. So if you enable it, you can find a fingerprint on the back of your phone right here and use it to scroll down the notification bar. So do it like that, and as you can see we just scrolled down our notification bar. Let's go back, and here we have jump to camera. So if you quickly you can open a quickly camera by pressing the power button twice on your phone. Let's try it out. And as you can see we just went to the camera by clicking on these combinations. Next up we have the system navigation. So here you can change between gesture navigation and 3-button navigation. I'm using gesture navigation so I can navigate my phone with gestures, and if you choose 3 buttons you add the 3 buttons to the bottom of your phone and you'll be able to use it to navigate your phone as well. Let's go back to gesture navigation and go back. Turn over to reject calls. Now if you enable it, you can place your phone upside down like this and it should reject all incoming calls. Mute on pickup, and now if somebody would be calling me and I have this one enabled and I pick my phone in a grip, it should mute this incoming call. And lastly, right here we have prevent ringing, and if you enable it, you'll be able to press power and volume up key together to make your phone vibrate or set it to mute. Let's use the mute because I'm already in a vibrate, and try the combination of a power and volume up together. And as you can see we just changed into a mute. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.